Oh my, we have got our work cut out for us today. There are a lot of leaves on the ground here. Hi, and welcome back to Purple Collar Life. I'm Chad. In today's video, we have a little bit of an experiment. Can one person with one backpack blower clear 1 acre of leaves in the woods, in the rain, in about 1 hour until it gets dark? Let's find out. It'll be fun. Okay, so it turns out that one man with one blower in 1 hour cannot clear 1 acre in the woods of leaves. You can see, well, I'll tell you what, let me grab the camera and show you what we did get accomplished. So I did get to the right of the barn and the left of the barn cleared out. Made one pretty good pile here. I don't know how that'll translate on camera, but it's probably 10 feet wide, 20 feet long, and maybe a foot tall. So that's the leaves from this area. Moving over to this area, same thing. There were too many leaves for me to blow anywhere to the woods, so I had to make some piles, and I made a pretty good sized pile here. This one's probably 20 feet wide, 10 to 15 feet deep, and the same, actually maybe a little bit higher, 1.5 feet deep, 2 feet in some spaces. But that allowed me to clear out a lot of area here along the sidewalk, all in front of the house. Under these trees. And then I blew some of it over here to the yard where I can either blow it into the woods or get it with the mower. But you can see that let me clear out a lot of space. Now to get a full acre, and how do I determine what an acre is? Well, I use Google Earth. If you're not using Google Earth to determine space, I recommend that it's a lot of fun, and you can easily just click an area. So I clicked all the way along this edge of the woods, down to the fence line, up here, over to the barn, up by where my truck is sitting, and up to the house. That would have been an acre. And you can see I didn't probably even get 1/3 of an acre done. It was way more leaves, and they are wet. It is raining, so I'm pretty soaked. But I did get this whole section of yard cleared out. All around the welcome rock here. Made another pile right there. These piles will be easy to put a tarp up against and then just rake the pile onto a tarp, drag it into the woods. And I did get the picnic area cleaned out, so we've got the 2 picnic tables and the fire pit here with the barn stones. So I got all that cleared out. So stuff that I didn't get done of the acre is all of that. Like I said, I didn't even get a half of what I had hoped to get done. I set my goals a little bit too high sometimes. That's happened more than once. But I'd rather set a more aggressive goal than a simple goal. I enjoy a challenge. And even though we didn't get the whole acre done, I am happy with what we did get done. At least it's a start and made some progress. A little bit less to do the next time. I don't think even if we would have had 2 or 3 people, we'd have got that full acre done. That's a lot of leaves that came down in the last week or so. They're very wet because it's raining, and you can see it takes a lot of work to move them. So I'm happy with what we got done. Obviously, the backpack blower was a huge help. It would be nice to bring the John Deere up here with the mulching deck on, probably mince some of those up a little bit better, and that would help take care of some of that so that we're not raking it onto a tarp and dragging so much. There's a lot of leaves there. So I think that would be a lot to drag into the woods. We'll see if we can mince some of them up with the mulching deck or blow them closer to the woods so we're not dragging them quite so far. If this video entertained or informed you in any way, we'd appreciate if you'd give us a thumbs up. As you know, it helps out the video, helps out our channel, and it lets us know you like content like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again the next time. Hopefully the next time it's not raining, but we may still be working on leaves or firewood. Pretty good chance of that.